Thinking about signing up with jobcad.com, it claims to help you find remote jobs fast. No experience needed sounds amazing, but is it actually legit or just another sketchy site preying on job seekers? Let's take a look. This review is based on public information and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I did this research so fast. So, I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. Links in the description. So, jobpad.com, it has a pretty clean looking site and promises easy access to work from home jobs. But according to Scam Advisor, things aren't looking great. The site has a very low trust score due to hidden ownership details, suspicious hosting, and zero transparency. Another Scam Advisor article also points out there's no solid proof that the site actually helps people land real jobs. Plus, no reliable contact info, no social presence, and barely any legit reviews. All red flags. So, is jobcad.com the real deal? Honestly, it looks more like a scam than a legit job platform. If you're job hunting, stick to trusted sources. This one feels like a trap for your data and time. Seen JobCAD around or worse, used it? Drop your experience in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest breakdowns of trending sites and services.